What you need to know about cooking. As with every discipline, cooking has certain rules and a proper way of doing things. And in order to achieve success, cooks and bakers need to know these rules of the kitchen. Once you have these tips under your belt, you will feel confident enough and will produce recipes worth raving about. Tips number 1. Know how to read the recipe. Number 2. Pay attention to food safety. Number 3. Measure correctly. Number 4. Learn how to use a knife. Number 5. Keep your kitchen clean. These tips, as we all know, it takes time how to cook. But it takes passion. And of course, cook from the heart. If you will apply these all, that's the time you can tell yourself, I can cook. A friendly reminder from Shabab channel. Thank you for watching.